Have you ever felt like you are your own worst enemy? Like there's a constant struggle raging inside you, holding you back from reaching your full potential. Do you know that the most epic battles aren't fought on distant fields, but within the quiet confines of our own mind? We all face internal battles, the nagging self-doubt, the paralyzing fear of failure, the procrastination that keeps us from taking action. These are the unseen enemies we grapple with every day. The relentless self-criticism, the crippling fear of the unknown, the procrastination that claims you to be mediocrity, the silence of it all that chips away your spirit day after day. This internal conflict can manifest in countless ways. The voice in your head that tells you you are not good enough. It's the missed opportunities that haunts your dreams, the unfulfilled potential that whispers in your ear, the nagging feeling that you are not living the life you want to live. This internal conflict leaves scars deeper than any physical wound. But here's the truth, you are not alone. Every single one of us faces these internal battles. You are not a prisoner of your own mind. You have the power to break free, to rewrite your story, to become a hero of your own life. The difference lies in how we choose to fight them. It's time to declare war on your inner enemies. It's time to silence the voices of self-doubt and unleash your full potential. How do you fight this battle? It starts with facing the enemy head on. Embrace your fears. Fear is not a stop sign. It's a compass pointing you towards your growth. Step outside your comfort zone and you will discover strength you never knew you had. Crush procrastination. Stop delaying your dreams. Take action, even if it's imperfect. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Acknowledge your self-limiting beliefs. What are your negative thoughts that are holding you back? Identify your fears. What are you afraid of? What's stopping you to take actions? So once you have identified your inner enemies, it's time to develop strategies to combat them. Challenge your negative thoughts. Are they based on reality or fear? Replace them with positive affirmations. Face your fears head on. Take small steps outside your comfort zone. Remember, courage isn't absence of fear. It's the action in the face of it. Break the cycle of procrastination. Set clear goals. Break them down into smaller tasks and reward yourself for progress. And the most important thing, believe in yourself and the world will believe in you too. This is not a battle for the faint of heart. It requires grit, determination, and unwavering self-belief. But the rewards are immeasurable. Remember, this is the war that requires constant vigilance. There will be setbacks and moments of doubt, but don't give up. Remember, if you lose, someone else will win. You are capable of incredible things. You have the power to overcome any obstacle, to achieve any dream. But first, you must win the war within. If you're ready to unleash your full potential and conquer your inner demons, join our community of warriors. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration on winning the war against yourself. The war against yourself is the most important battle you will fight. So my dear friends, choose victory.